Hey guys, this is Toru, and I just would like to talk about the correlation between Bitcoin and the gold today. There are some people claiming there is a correlation between Bitcoin and gold, and I am one of such people. So I just wanted to share some of my views. Here we go. Right, so the chart you're looking at is a Bitcoin US dollar now. And as of today, Bitcoin is sideways. It's pretty much dead. It's until the halving day comes in. It's just gonna go sideways probably. Well, anyway, let's take a look at the gold. And I'm just gonna click compare here. And if you type in XAU USD, there is a CFD pricing comes up. And I'm gonna make this chart as lines so that I can compare a little easily. Okay, so this is this orange one is the gold, and this candle chart is the Bitcoin US dollar. And if you compare these two, here's a BTC comes in front, XAU, which means gold comes in front. So both are denominated via US dollar, so you can compare BTC and the XAU. Anyway, we're just gonna go back a little bit of the history. And it's pretty interesting. If you look back the history, this area shows clearly a negative correlation. So that means Bitcoin drops, gold goes up. And gold goes down and Bitcoin goes up, and vice versa. And it just similar move comes in and comes in and comes in, and this was too. So it may be easier to look a negative correlation if we type in a little different symbol. So let's do 1 divided by XAU USD. Enter, and that shows a flipped chart. So now this XAU USD goes up means XAU USD actually drops, right? So if we look at this chart like this, we see a little bit of the correlation around here. You can see the gold price drops and Bitcoin price, which indicates under candle, goes up. And Bitcoin price goes down, gold price goes down, and vice versa. What are we doing now is it's pretty interesting. It's until around this point, like February, there was a bit of the negative correlations between gold and Bitcoin, and this is too. This is a little bit of the scale adjustment is needed. But there was a spread around here. However, Bitcoin moves down and Bitcoin comes back up, and the gold followed. And as of now, what's really happening is, well, of course, if we look at a micro sort of the picture, it's pretty interesting. And what's really going on right now is Bitcoin US dollar is within a consolidation mode, and the gold is within a consolidation mode as well. So both are going sideways, which means hesitation of the market. However, if we look at a little bigger picture, like this, all right, what we can see here is around this level, there are something happened. Like this February, the correlation sort of ended. Like gold went up. Well, gold shoots up from 1200 and 1270, 1280 somewhere around. And however, it's going sideways, and it may go further down. If people. Well, nobody knows it. However, it seems like a lot of ETF fund is buying gold, etc. So it looks like a solid movement. Well, anyway, when it comes to the Bitcoin and gold, it seems like this area has got a flip to the positive correlation. So if we just remove this one and back to the positive correlation. You see the chart looks like a little bit of the within a correlation mode, right? And gold goes up and Bitcoin goes up, went up, and vice versa. I'm not 100% sure this really works, or we can are we able to use this correlation to generate any sort of a chance to set up the trade? I'm not sure. However, it seems like a little bit of interesting thing is going on, because there was a negative correlation before the February, and now it's within a positive correlation mode. And that was back in February. That was I created another video within another channel that was talking about maybe the Valentine's Day's Bitcoin, maybe the key, and because the Chinese holiday was there, and after the Chinese holiday movement comes back, and well, it came back. However, the movement was started to correlate with the gold, right? If it's a novel or something, we can say, hey, people's money may start moving from the fiat currency to the gold or Bitcoin, which is not affected by the central government, etc. Well, we can say that. However, I'm not sure. But only the thing we can see here is there may be a positive correlation kicked in after this February. And down the road, we have, again, halving of the Bitcoin is coming down somewhere around end of July. It looks like this February to July, this area may change the fundamental of the Bitcoin. And that's what I am now interested in. So today I just wanted to share some of my views between the correlation between gold and Bitcoin. At last, I do really appreciate for the comment and the encouragement which I created in my previous videos, and I didn't really expected it. So I'd like to say tons of thanks for the people who watched the videos and comments. And I will try to continue a little bit more. Thank you. Bye.